Hello, my name is Lukman, and you're welcome to my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we look at different ways to make money online and offline, especially for beginners. And today, I want to look at a very quick one where I want to answer some of my subscribers' question about the easiest and the most simplest way to make money now and later. And today, if you are one of those subscribers who are asking that question, then there is good news for you, because I've just discovered a simple way to make money online, even if you don't really have any particular skill. And before further ado, let's go into it. So I want to discuss how to make money designing logo. How to make money designing logo online and offline, even if you don't have any skill. One, to get started, you must first register with some of the companies that where you need to offer these services online. And number one on this list is Fiverr.com. Fiverr, from our previous lesson, is a freelance site where you go to offer your services and clients come to buy your services starting from $5 and above. And one of the simplest service that you can offer on Fiverr is logo designing. You can as well offer your service online in some other freelancing sites like quickinggigs.com, guru.com, peopleperhour.com, Logo My Way, 99 Design, Upwork, and so many other Design Crowd, and so many others like that. You can offer your services on this, and you know it is very simple to do. On all these sites, you are going there for free. You don't need to pay anybody. All you need to do is just sign up. What do I mean by sign up? You register, give them your basic details, name, your name, your email, your password, and how to collect your service. You can collect your service via PayPal or via Payoneer, or they can pay to your local bank account. It's as simple as that. Once you register, you offer your service that you do logo designing, and that's it. For offline, all you need to do is just go to the photographer, because one of the people that will need the service of a logo designer are photographers, because now everybody is going online, and most of the photos we take now are used on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and the rest. And all these pictures, they are virtual, and they will need logos, so that this logo will be will be your selling point, and will be selling you, make you different from them. So all you need to do is just approach the local photographers around, tell them you offer logo designs. You can charge as high as 5,000 per logo. If you like, you can charge 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, but between 2,000 and 5,000, you can get a logo for a particular photographer. Just imagine if you have about 10 photographers who you can offer your service to, and that is about 5 times 10, that's about 50,000. You're making 50,000, and I'm talking about offline. And another set of people that you can go to are the makeup artists, those who make up. Most of the makeup artists now, after making up their clients, they snap the pictures and put on their social media sites. They go to Facebook and post, or they have an Instagram page, they post, and they want their logo to be there. So you can just approach them also. Just tell them between 2,500 and 5,000, you can get the logo for them. You get the logo for them, just tell them how to face the logo, and it is done. You continue to make your money, and anytime anybody wants that services, they will gladly call on you, and you render it. So you can make money both online and offline designing logo. You know, don't forget that. Remember I said that you don't even need any skill. So it means there must be something to you have to do to get this logo design in the first place. So what can you do to get this logo design in the first instance? Yes, if you understand Photoshop, good, you can go to Photoshop and design logo. But for those who does not have any skill, there are so many sites online that you can go to and get your logo design. One of the best places you can go to is canva.com. Canva.com is a free website, though they have a paid version, but for free you can design any website. They already have templates. All you need to do is just change the template, change the picture, change the name and the rest, and you have the logo. You can do like 4 or 5 logo and send to your client. The client will choose anyone they like and pay you your money. You can earn as much as $20 or $50 per any work done online and even offline. So you can just go to online, just make this job. It is free. Just design, go to canva.com, look for logo design template, click on it. You see different logos. Just insert the name of the client or the name of the company and you have your logo. Apart from canva.com, you can go to freelogodesign.org. Free Logo Design is an online logo design maker, and it's even simpler than canva.com. You can also go to there. It's free. You make your logo for free. There are others who other online logo design companies but they collect money. But I'm giving you the free one so that you don't have to spend a lot of money to do this, except the money you use to browse your data, you use to buy data and go online. Then you can also go to onlinelogomaker.com. At onlinelogomaker.com, it's also a free something, and it's very easy. It's drag and drop. They'll give you the template. All you need to do is just put the name and you have your logo. There are other logo makers. Just put the name of the company, their info and the rest, and they will design the logo. They can give you up to 7 different types just to pick from, and if you like, you can just pick all the 7 and send to your client, and your client will send you your money. You don't have any problem with that. So if you are using a smartphone, you don't have a computer to do that, you can go to Play Store. When you get to Play Store, just ask for Logo Maker app. You see different free version of Logo Maker app, and they all work fine. Just design your logo. Design like between 2 to 5 or 10, and just pick some and send to your client, and it is done. Your job is done. So it's not something difficult, except you don't want to try. So for those who are asking that question, what's the simplest way? Designing logo can be very simple. You can do it online and you can do it offline. And if you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed, consider subscribing so that you'll be notified when we release new videos like this. Make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and you can even share to your friends so that when we release money making videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come again, remember that we can all succeed together.